Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now people may have some things we show you. Today we are going to show you Shenseea and our Shenyang, and then we're going to talk about Dancehall defend Fantan Mojah. We'll also talk about Fantan Mojah and Muta Baruka. So people, first let's get into Shenseea's story. It's not really a story, it's just a quick clip I have to show you, right? Because Shenseea had a show this weekend and she out here signed our Shenyang them boobs. You see me, I say, or at least one Shenyang. That's what she wanted. That's what Shenseea did. But people, I'm going to show you the clip, then I'm telling you where people are saying. All right? So take a look at this quick clip. Here goes. So I see somebody comment and say if she now go beard because it go wash off, right? And I see some other people that say like she should have get something where she can keep and look back pan. But people, we don't know still. Me I think say yeah, maybe I just the video. Maybe she have a video of it and that's the actual memory where she go keep, right? Wanna tell me one thing. So people, if you don't know what's going on with Muta and Fantan Mojah, Fantan sing a song and people are beating bad feet, including Muta. So Fantan respond to Muta Baruka after Muta did a cutting edge show and I talk about him. So here Fantan Mojah say, here's the video.
Muta is a hell of a rate for man. We don't disrespect Muta, that one thing we know. But Muta the fan radar say, like to drop in on my head. When me a perform. Yeah. Me a rap and call himself a Rasta. Come on, Muta. Remember, be a white girl, you're fucking a Muta. Yeah, there would be a white girl. Fantan Mojah one of the real Rasta youth in Jamaica. And them know. Yeah, we don't eat pussy. And we don't fuck batty. We clean. And we love people. So you do, long are you?
Here, Muta now, our talk. Why Fantan Mojah don't just go in a hotel with them girl and do him to you, make sure them do have a smart.
Remember, Muta ready to come talk, say Muta locked down with Shim the brace you know. And Bob Mother, if you put them kick off, you do and say, freak boy. Give him a blood clot, girl.
Yes!
And I knew the man say them locked down and just, them nude. And him talk for radio, say him just nude. So when you nude, you're naked. Nude is naked. So you try to tell me some Muta, be able to sell, man. No for no Rasta we are talking, not some fucking bowcat to you know. Fucking, we don't know Rasta not dread. Yeah, it's a bad man Rasta. And the boy that will be a plan to rush me. Remember me gang.
Yeah, people, so now you want to go on into the Rasta warfare. And I have Muta part, Muta answer to this. So, I have that piece there, plus I have Dancehall and Pampute, them a defend Fantan Mojah. So, I go show you that, people. But before I get to that, I have an artist for review. Bad artist, I review him before. Glamaton, this is a big artist, people, you see me? I have some clip from GT Taylor from IRFM. I introduce him and thing, I play music and everything. So I tell him to say another joke artist, you see me? So I go make the dancehall master, introduce him, and then I go into the tune. Here goes.
Hey! Glamaton! Hey! All and pull! Brand new one from the artist that hails out of Warminster District in St. Elizabeth, you know? He goes by the name of Glamaton, massive. And this one, Glamaton finds it, massive. I like the lyrics of this. I like the lyrics of this. So guess what? GT Taylor, the dancehall master, on the #1 reggae radio station, IRFM, endorsed this one by Glamaton. It's called Better Days Are Coming. Once again, Glama, take it on. Here we go.
Glama hoping for a better way, searching for a better day. Listen to this song now, hey! Cause better days are coming, by and by, and when we reach that glory in the sky, our sorrow will be over, get a youth and drive Range Rover. Better days are coming, by and by.
So people, you know GT Taylor just endorse the song a while ago and him play it, him pull it up and him a big up Glamaton. People, the song name Better Days Are Coming. I don't have to big up the choir sounds sweet in the hook. So we'll jump in at the first verse and hear how Glamaton deal with it. Let's go.
Where Glamaton pray for the elders, me pray for the child. Pray for the one we see us, the one we smile. Pray for every religion turn Christian. And pray for every bad man turn pastor man. I'm praying that this world them not done nothing wrong. Come in now and the father bunny down like him bun sada.
Level, me did have to stop it, people. When you hear how the man I deal with the rhythm, now I understand why GT Taylor did have to pull up the song. The song bad for real, people. I'm not just hype it up. Hear how the man I ride the rhythm. And whosoever make the rhythm and give him that jump pattern there, you see me, I say the man understand what he need to do with that. Let's get back into the song and hear the rest of what Glamaton I say. Here goes.
Me a pray for you watch the road where you walk on. Carry a light anytime it touch dark. Cause better days are coming. By and by, and when we reach that glory in the sky, our sorrow will be over. Get a youth and drive range over. Better days are coming. By and by.
People, I have to respect when time producer, artist, engineer, whosoever is responsible for get the background vocals them, right? In this song me I talk about. So when you hear the choir, me I call them choir even for one person, the voices put together and the different layers make it sound like a choir. So me I say choir, right? And people, that's sure that the artist is serious about his craft. I'm could have just voice and left it like that. Glamaton understand about music, and whoever the engineer is, producer, them understand music. That's why them are the choir people, and it are the wonders for that song. I'm not lie. You see me I say it, go with the whole better days are coming, and the melody where my flow with. Uno tell me what you think down in the comment section. We are go back into the song. Second verse.
We Glamaton pray for the world have a better plan. For all of the leaders them get along. We see Iraq and Iran start shaking. We see China and England are shaking. We see America and Canada are shaking. We see all the Caribbean them get along. And nobody with the fuss and contention. World War III no be in the plan. Understand? Cause better days are coming. By and by. And when we reach that glory in the sky, our sorrow will be over. Get a youth and drive range over. Better days are coming. By and by.
People, me don't know if you know hear, but you know hear like the underlying phrase where I play with the choir I sing and everything. The man I chat bare lyrics in a verse them, you know, so me just make the verse them run. The man I talk about world peace, the man saying want to see England and China shake and him want to see everybody get along, right? That the man I saying up people. I don't know we always see dancehall IG endorse these positive music. The last song I review for Glamaton, no bad mind artist, and the man I say unity in the business. No the man I say unity worldwide. Make we play the song again. Here goes.
We Glamaton pray for the elders, me pray for the child. Pray for the one we see us, the one we smile. Pray for every worldly and turn Christian. And pray for every bad man turn pastor man. I'm praying that this world them not done nothing wrong. Come in now and the father burn it down like him burn Saddam. Me a pray for the you watch the road where you walk on. Carry a light anytime it touch dark. Cause better days are coming. By and by. And when we reach that glory in the sky, our sorrow will be over. Get a youth and drive range over. Better days are coming. By and by.
Yeah, people, so the artist named Glamaton and the song named Better Days Are Coming. We are going to put the full link to him social media them to this song so you can hear it without me talking in it. I'm here telling you say a big artist, people. Last time I review for him, I man be the man up on stage I perform. You see what I say? So when you hear for yourself, when you hear the quality of the production, when you hear the lyrics, when you hear how the man DJ, so when you know say I'm not joke thing, people. I tell you no follow him career. You see what I say? Because when time boss you can say, oh, me hear him on Dancehall IG before. You see me? I know him a burn up road. So people big up Glamaton one more time. Now we are gonna get back into the Muta Baruka story. So now I'm telling you say Muta Baruka answer to Fantan Mojah. I have that video the phone plus I have one with Angel and Pampute, them a defend Fantan Mojah and him song. So we're going to play Muta and hear what Muta say. Here is the Muta video.
This morning, I get a video from Miami. The video of the Fantan Mojah in there. I make some really defamatory argument. I don't know where we get these things, but he must tell me how we get that, where we get that from. Me want Fantan Mojah in all I'm travel to tell me which white woman they remember you say meet the way. He must tell me where you get this argument about the meet the with white woman. And the second thing, the female were mentioned as it relates to Bob. Which continent and when him hear me say that? When him hear me call a woman upon the radio? He might forgot tell me that because I have got to talk to my lawyer about it. So if you know answer me, you must go answer a lie about where him get, because that is inflammatory, not only for me, but for the woman who mentioned in the something. You understand? And obviously she have to hear it. And then no, him now going to concern with me alone. But he must go talk to him friend them. He must go talk to me, the public. Maybe more have to apologize to, because he must tell me the evidence we have for the two things them we mentioned. He must go have the evidence. I must go turn up on the radio and apologize about it.
So now hear that people, Muta say, he might have to prove what him say, or else a liar business, or him have to come on the radio come apologize. So if you don't want to know the whole story and you don't want to know what Muta say before Fantan say anything, you have to find the cutting edge somewhere online. All of the cutting edge video them out there, you see me? And you could can find it on IRFM page or maybe cutting edge have a YouTube page. I don't know. But people, the Angel and Pampute, I forgot who are the other female artists, but them they and them a defend Fantan Mojah. So hear what them office say. Take a look at this video. Here goes.
Boy, your cocky suck, you're free too. You have to be free. Me back Fantan Mojah. Anything with woman them Fantan, do your blood clotting. Me back Fantan, see me over your store. Ladies back Fantan. Ladies back Fantan. Hold on. Them now appear man, they say come out to that video appear. Yes, Fantan. I get you come out. What am I do things me and close your mouth and don't know about? The woman they come out to Fantan. No worries to that. Fuck up to the things Fantan. No man never even. Get on to slap this more than anything else. When you sing righteous song, them not ready for you. But they come out now with a song of fear. And it's a problem. They suck them mother. I want them to leave the man alone. Love Fantan alone. Leave the man alone. Love Fantan. Reporting from Goody Plums News. Good afternoon.
Okay, me never know say Stacey expression in our front too. So big up Good Plum. See me I say. But people, I'm gonna leave it there so when I get in the comment section. Tell me what you think about Fantan Mojah and Muta Baruka story, the Rasta warfare. Also, no give me a feedback on Glamaton song and talk about the Shenseea thing in the front. You saw me I say, but people, to big up on yourself. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing and commenting. Everybody big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.